I was holding the rabbit and I guess it didn't want me to hold it. Okay, let's pull on this and see if we need to call 911 or not. So 90 days outside, they're just fine, but I always do a check just in case. Oh, we got the helper here. You doing it? Feeling it up? It's looking good.
Oh, too fast. Hold on.
And hello, Momma O fans. And I wake up to a dead cockroach. Well, let's see what today brings. Good thing we got them sprayed. They'll be back next week to do the second spraying. Let's go outside and see what the wind had damaged. Any wind damage from yesterday. Yeah, they cut a lot. Goodness. Wow. Kind of pushed the umbrella, slid the glass across. See if we can get that straightened out. Okay, all straightened out. So see if we can see any of those baby kittens. No, I don't see them anywhere. The mama must not let the other cats in here to eat because there's always food in here. I don't know where they eat. They must eat over at the neighbors or something. Guess she's moved them again. The plants are doing good in here. Getting plenty of water. Looking good. Okay. The sprays must still be working. I was holding the rabbit and I guess it didn't want me to hold it. And I just saw one scamper across here. Flushed him down the toilet. It's probably the one that ran across the table. And we got people sawing here, sawing over there, lawn mowing. These guys are pulling a tree down. Hope they know what they're doing. This guy sawing, Papa O sleeping. I don't think it's a good idea to pull a tree towards you, is it? Got the helper guy over here. Here, I'll help you pull the tree towards us. Maybe it's just a little branch. Still not a good idea, you guys. Or maybe they just will run fast. I don't know. Got a lot of tree trimming here. Can't believe how much of that tree they cut. Okay, let's pull on this and see if we need to call 911 or not. Pull. We'll hear it crack. Oh. Wow. So it was a short tree. Don't need to call 911. Enough neighbor watching. I gotta go cut some lettuce we're eating at Davey's house tomorrow for Sunday dinner. And this lettuce is growing like crazy. That's a lot to eat, so I'll just trim that up and take it with us tomorrow. Wow, look how pretty that looks. That's a lot of lettuce. I've only cut right here. Okay, that ought to do us. I'll leave those over there for next week. And what's nice, no earwigs this year. Wash it and bag it. Kind of get proud of yourself when you grow stuff. Okay, and came out here to put them on the lawn and came out here to check on the chickens. Put grass in here and jackpot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 eggs. And the chicks Davey gave me will be laying in July. They're not laying yet, and they'll be little eggs at first. Nice. Yeah, we got good crop today, lettuce and eggs. If you're wondering, if you know if these eggs are still good, they last 90 days by themselves. Then if you want to know if they're rotten or good, if they float, they're bad. If they sink, they are good. So this is how we tell. If there's any floaters, throw it away. Okay, they're all sinkers. So 90 days outside, they're just fine, but I always do a check just in case. And I ordered a tree decal so I can put my family tree. So I'll see if I can put that up today and teach the grandkids about their ancestors. I'm going to put it there. This is a stairwell tree. Put it on there and then we'll add the pictures. We'll do one a week, one ancestor a week. We'll start with me and Papa, and then my mom and dad, his mom and dad, and so forth till that wall is full. Okay, let's let this lettuce drain, and these got a little bit of brown on them. The chickens will love that. Then I will put this decal up. I don't know how much work that'll be. Maybe I'll wait till Amanda gets here. She'll know how to do it. She does decals all the time. I don't want to mess up. Okay, it's been draining. Let's go ahead and get that bagged. There we go, 3 bags full. It's funny, Amanda's coming over with the kids. They went to the jumpolene park. They were going to go out and eat. And the kids said, no, we want to eat at Grandma's. We want sketti at Grandma's. She said they offered them Olive Garden, Leatherby's. She named a bunch of places. They said, no, we want Grandma's. I go, okay, let's go to Grandma Roseanne's kitchen. So cute. Oh, Amanda's family's here. We're getting the jumpolene all set up. Did you find the kitties? Nope. Oh.
The big one.
First time doing the big one. Put your hands up here. I'll hold it while you get on if this is your first time. Okay. Is he on? Okay, I'm gonna let you got both hands on. Where's your other hand? Put your other hand up higher. Yeah, right there. Okay. Oh, oh. Ready for their sketti? That'll be the wife, huh?
Because I for sure did this room.
Now we're going to clean the wall first. And you can reach up in there. Okay. There we go. Let's set up that jumpolene. Where do you want it? We haven't staked it down yet. Let's go look on the tree for the tree. Oh, there's the first piece.
So I had to measure because I didn't want the branches running into that.
Oh yeah.
So it goes up 51 inches about until the branches
start to go. Okay.
I need number 2, I think.
Amanda's better at stuff like this. Okay, we've got a stake down now. You should be safe. Should. Show me your blue teeth. And tongue. Stick out the tongue. Okay, we got that stake down. Let's go back to the tree.
They don't number them.
They're not numbered. Oh wow, that's looking good, Amanda. How are you knowing?
Well,
just from the picture?
These are easy to figure out.
Okay. Look at all these pieces. I'm glad you're doing it.
This piece was supposed to go there.
It was?
Because this number
You were
4
right. Oh, shoots that way.
I was putting it.
She had to peel the other one off too?
The way they show it,
Yeah.
it shows 4 attaching down here, and I'm like,
Oh.
but there's no like spot for it. You
No
just,
spot, you just stick it on
and
there.
then 13 does go there, but the way they make it look, it doesn't.
She had it right. Getting everything written on there, so you know that's your cup. She likes to sit at the door, but she won't come in, which is nice. Oh, we got the helper here. You doing it? Peeling it off? It's looking good.
Oh, too fast. Hold on.
Yeah, a little slower.
Okay.
And we got 2 pages of decal. Oh, and they got leaves and leaves. And we're adding some little birdies. They're cute. Are you helping decide where they go?
Yeah.
Okay, one more
Cute.
bird.
Can you do
One
it?
more
Yeah,
bird.
last one. The flying one.
Looking
You
good.
said it was gonna go.
It was fun having Amanda's kids over. And it looks like it's gonna rain again, so covered up the table again. And we need the rain, got the grass cut. And we couldn't find the kitties. So we've just got the leaves to put on the tree. But we got that much done. That's how it looked with the leaves. And I showed the kids the new DVD player. They're very excited about that in the expedition. I've got to go shopping and enjoy the rest of this beautiful sunshiny day. Yeah, let's go get shopping done before it gets dark. It's always fun when they come over. So we'll go ahead and close with a couple of quotes.
Mother's love is the fuel that enables a normal human being to do the impossible.
That means the mom is a normal human being, but it has to do the impossible. Let's see. Mothers can look through a child's eyes and see tomorrow. Yeah, time goes way too fast.
Yeah.
Here's one from Michael Jordan. My mother is my root, my foundation. She planted the seed that I base my life on, and that is the belief the ability to achieve starts in your mind. It's true. Thanks for liking, commenting, and subscribing. And remember to look for the rose, and welcome new subscribers. And let's see what tomorrow brings. Thank you and good night.
Rainbows come on rainy days, flowers bloom in spring, birthdays they just come once a year. Heaven's always in the sky, each and every day, just like a love, darling, it never goes away. Rainy or sunny weather, they'll always be together. Even when the world is through, I'll always be with you. Hold me in your arms and promise me that you'll